Page 17, the happy seal. There's a warm-up at the top of the page. Yuck. You could do the warm-up. I don't do warm-ups. Just play it if you want, that's fine. In the middle of the page, they're talking about how to count eighth notes. We haven't had eighth notes before here. So let's talk eighth notes. An eighth note, you see them in the music, look in the happy seal. It looks like two quarter notes that are beamed together. They got that beam connecting them. Those are eighth notes. And it's like, as I said, we divide the notes up, whole, half, quarter. Well, divide a quarter note and you get eighth notes. There's two eighth notes in a quarter note. There's different ways of counting them. I use the same method they use in this book, and that is I simply put an and in between the numbers, because the numbers are the beats. 1, 2, this is in 2/4 time. 1, 2, 1, 2. So we haven't had 2/4 time before. We only have to count to 2. Goody. 1, 2, 1, 2. Eighth notes, I put an and in. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and. See, eighth notes go twice as fast. Ready or not, they do. Of course, we go really, really, really slow at first. So let's look this piece over. Treble and bass clef, it's 2 lines long, 1 flat in the key signature, so we're in the key of F major. 2/4 time signature, we count to 2, but we're counting quarter notes. A quarter note still gets a count. Now let's go and just take the hands one at a time to make sure we can get them okay. The right hand comes in on the 3rd major. We're in F position still. Remember the B flat. And it's 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. Then the left hand plays, and then the right hand when it comes in again. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. That's all. Left hand, you're starting out again at position. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. Second line. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. You can do that, put the hands together. You don't have to go this fast, you can take it your speed, but here. 1, 2, and 1, and 2, and. So you put the hands together so you can play them together, okay. Once you can do that, then we can add the articulation. And here, they have the slurs, so we're going to lift up before and after each slur. At the beginning, it's like a breath. Connect the notes, but lift up. Before you play this note, lift up. So it's the breath. Lift up again, another breath. Lift up. So you put in the articulation. Then you can add the dynamics, the louds and softs. Well, they only give you one dynamic, and that's loud. Big deal. I'd suggest just play it. Don't worry about loud or soft, just play it. Keep in mind it's supposed to be a happy seal. Speed-wise, lively. You have to decide what lively is. There's no hard and fast, this is it, it's got to be this way. Good luck. It's just picture a seal, if that's what it is. Now, if you can't play it that fast, that's fine. You're not supposed to play it my lively. You're supposed to play it at your lively. And if your lively is, if that's your lively, good enough. Got to be accurate. Notes got to be even, and everything's got to be there. So don't go faster than that. I'd like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. So let's just try it. And we're going to do the phrasing too. I know that, but that's a 2/4 time. So I'm only going to give us 2 counts. See, the counting I give you depends on the time signature. Yeah. So be ready to go. Now to make this a little easier for you for now, I put the metronome on eighth notes, so it's beating eighth notes. You see here? 1 and 2 and. That's the speed of the eighth notes. So let's see if we can play it at that speed. You see, when you put a metronome, or you're playing with a metronome, you don't always put the metronome on the beat. You put it on whatever you need to put it on, not too fast, not too slow, so you can follow it. And if I put it on the beat, it's too slow to follow, because it's hard to follow a metronome when you're going really slow or really fast. You gotta put, and so we adjust what we're beating so it's easier to follow. So it's beating eighth notes. Ready and go. And 1,